Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to set screen timeout on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, screen timeout enhances privacy and security by automatically locking the device after a period of inactivity. When the screen times out, the device locks, requiring a password, PIN, or biometric authentication to unlock, thereby protecting sensitive information from unauthorized access. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin, open please the Settings app on your device to access the various customization options. Okay, within the settings, locate and tap on the display menu to adjust the display settings. After that, scroll down the display settings page until you find the screen timeout option. And in the screen timeout settings, you will discover a range of options for adjusting the time it takes for the screen to automatically turn off when not in use. So, select the desired screen timeout duration from the available options to apply it to your device. Okay, this customization allows you to manage the screen timeout settings according to your preferences, optimizing battery life and user experience on your device. Well, that's the tutorial on how to set screen timeout on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.